this is my current cat litter situation. This is just where the biggest mess in the house is, obviously, because it's right by the cat litter. And this is only probably after a day and a half, maybe 2 days of not cleaning it. Like I said, I have 4 cats, and so it gets out of hand very quickly, and I have to be on top of it. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up and then lay the mat down. So I laid the mat down, but I wanted to show you briefly what I used to use. It's this rubber silicone type of material, and it's supposed to catch the cat litter inside all those grooves. And it did, but it did not do a good job at all, and the litter would actually get stuck in there, so it was hard to clean, and then the mat would eventually get discolored, and it was just a headache, and it just did not perform as well as I needed it to. And as you can see, this, like, the cat litter falls in it, and it's easy to get out, like I showed you before. At least it's supposed to be easy to get out. And actually, it's a lot thicker. The black mat, the new one, is a lot thicker as well, so it will hold more litter than, as you can see how skinny that is. Once I did place this mat down, I did notice that it moved around a lot on the floor that I have. It is just regular linoleum, and so I did decide to rearrange the room that I had these litter boxes in, and I moved it to a place to where the mat will not move around. Because, you know, with cats, they will move the mat around, and again, litter will be everywhere. So I did end up moving this over to this area, and now the mat does not move around, and it's been only a day, and look at how much litter has collected in this mat already. And all of this litter usually is throughout my whole house, in my bed, in the couch, everywhere. So right now I am very impressed with it. I do wish it was bigger, because I do have 2 litter boxes, but it would easily work fine if you just had one. Also, I did eventually try to vacuum the litter out of the little holes, and the vacuum actually picked it up very easily. So if you don't want to have to clean it like every so many days or whatever, you can easily just vacuum it up every now and then. And as you can see, some litter is off the mat, but that is because this mat is too small for the area that I have. And again, it is, I don't know if I said it, but it is an extra large. So definitely if you have 2 litter boxes, you'll probably need 2 mats. So I did end up catching my cat Timber using this mat. So perfect example, the litter does fall into the holes, but she does end up stepping off the mat because it's just not big enough for that area. But it definitely is worth the price, and so I did end up sweeping the whole room after 3 days of having this mat down, and all that I swept up was this. And that is a huge difference, and completely huge difference than what it was before. Like, all of this that you see inside that mat was all over my house. So I highly recommend this product if you have a